I think the last session we discussed about prototype, process design, and development. And in this session we discuss about business model concepts. What is a business model? So you all know that model is something to understand a concept. If anything you want to learn about construction model, building model, and anything for human life or any concept, there will be a module. So to understand business also, there was a module, and that's what we are going to learn today. Uh, so now more about the business model in 1 minute. So a business model describes how an organization creates, develops, and captures in economical, social, culture, or other contexts. So creation. So what can we offer to solve a problem? This presupposes a clear understanding of the problem and intimates with evaluating changes. Secondly, value delivery. How can we efficiently execute on the solution to that problem? It brings a strong operational solution to produce a delivery effects. So, and next coming to the value capture, how we capture value for our investments to solve problem. The plan must include a way to extract value from the creation and deliver activities to learn a return for owners and further problem solutions. Yes, if you can do all these three things, you are bound to be a successful business. But for it, it takes a time, and also it makes a lot of market research, testing, prototypes, and it may take the very long time. And so you all may see one diagram on the screen. So you may know all about this, but once again, so this was a business model congress and also known as 9 block model. This was also called as Alexander's outwards model because it was developed by Alexander. If you divide this convex into half, on the right hand side, it is all about the customers. Then on the left hand side, this was the left hand side. It was all about the business. So if you know about the customers, if you know about the business inside story, how to create the value from here and on the right of how you deliver to the customers, and you can capture through revenue streams. So if you know the customers evaluations and customers thinkings and customer problems on the left side, right side, and if you know how to solve those problems in a very good idea and very good extent, so we can obviously generate our revenues in the bottom side of the 9 block. Yes, so that our business model. So, can you tell me the most important block in this? So, here there are 9 blocks. Now discuss about that. So, what is the important block? So, what is the important block means the problem and solution. First, we have to start with one line problem and one line solution, and then we have to start with the target. So you all may know that B2B and B2C. So a small screen sharing on the here. So B2B process involves these steps with customer building along the way. So identify a problem or need, explores different solutions and do market researches, create a list of requirements, selecting suppliers means business to business persons. So the model which we are preparing, it will first move, it will be moving from the manufacturers to the retailers or wholesalers or retailers, and then it will be moving to the customers. So finally it will be moving to the customers. So this was the process of B2B. So coming to the B2C process, so the process totally includes only two services. So first one, uh, selling and selling products and services directly between a business and a consumer. So you may all know that the Amazon, if we order anything in the Amazon, that was will be coming under B2C target business. So if we order anything, it will be directly delivered to us. In between that, only a consumer which travels our goods and will be delivering and will be getting the everything. Means problem recognition. Problem recognizes the need for a service or product, gathers information, weighs chooses against comparable alternatives, makes actual purchase, reflects on the purchase they make. So it will be totally under the two persons only. And next coming to the value proportion. So first, when we identify the problem and solution with the one line, next it will be continued with the target audience of identifying the problems and we have to solve it. And after that, we will be coming to the value proportions. So value proportion reflects to the value of a company promises to deliver to customers should they choose and buy their products. So it will be reflecting on